Hi friends, I'm Nancy Novak from stampandshout.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just wanted to stop in real quick and show you a real cute Easter treat that you can make quick and easy. Don't need a lot of supplies. You can use a few of your stamps if you don't have these stamps, but what I am using is Stampin' Up's Hello Easter stamp set. It's new this year. It's got this cute little bunny, and it's got Happy Easter and Hello Spring and these cute eggs. So anyway, let's get started. Like I said, this is real simple. So basically what you need is a strip of paper that is cut to 2 inches by 8 1/4. I made these out of regular cardstock, and here I'm using a piece of the Designer Series paper. I think it's called Fresh Florals, and this is Peekaboo Peach. So I'm going to bring in my scoreboard, and I'm going to score it at 3 1/2 on each end. That was easy. And then, so we're just going to fold it on the score lines like that. And then I'm going to bring in my tag top punch, and I'm going to punch it on each end. So you can see it's going to punch it, put a little scallop on there, and put the little hole in there for my ribbon. And let's see, then all we need to do is put the bunny in, put our ribbon on, and we'll stamp a little cute little sentiment. So I'm going to bring in a piece of scrap Whisper White, and this is Peekaboo Peach, and I'm going to actually use Calypso Coral for the accent just because it's a little bit darker and it'll show up a little bit better. So while I'm stamping this, I wanted to mention that I've started to do Facebook Live webcasts. So I want to invite you to check them out. I do them every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So all you need to do is go to www.stampandshout.com, and I have a link there that says join my Facebook Live page, or you can find me on Facebook, Stampin' Shout, and it's real quick and easy. If you join, then whenever I'm going to do a video, you'll be notified that I'm going live. And what I like about the live webcasts is that you can participate. It's just like you're there at a classroom, except for you're in the comfort of your home. You can ask questions while I'm stamping, or you can ask questions about the products that I'm using. You could ask me to repeat what I just did or what I just said. It's just more interactive, so I'm giving that a shot and see how that goes. And I do wish you would join me. Share that with your friends, let them know. The more the merrier, and I think it'll be fun. So I do have one tomorrow. That's March 21st at 7 p.m. So join me if you can. And if you can't join me live, still join up, because you can watch them afterwards. They will be there for, they're there. You can go back and watch them again. So that's kind of cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch this bunny out with the 2-inch circle punch. I'm going to leave some space at the bottom because I think I'm going to punch or stamp Hello Spring. So I'll show you what I mean. So I got my Hello Spring and the Calypso Coral. So these are the polymer stamps, so you can see right through them. I actually showed everyone how I made this on my Facebook Live last week. It was the first Facebook Live that I've done, so it was kind of a fun thing. We did a few other things too. I'll do more than one card or project. Cool. Looks cool, huh? Such a cute, simple project, and it's nice to give to your coworkers. It's nice to give as a little thank you gift to waitresses, or maybe if you go to the bank and you see the teller or your hairdresser. So now I've got Flirty Flamingo. Let's see how this looks with this. I'm going to put a little flower right there, kind of like he's smelling it. And then I have a little marker here that's in chocolate chip, and I'm just going to draw a little stem on that flower like that. And this is my favorite part is that cute little tail. It's a little pom-pom tail, so I'm going to bring in my glue dots and put a glue dot on that little white tail and attach it to my bunny. And then I'll bring in some dimensions, and we're just going to put that right on here. So we'll put a couple on the back. So what I think I'm going to be talking about tomorrow in my webcast are, I'm going to talk about some celebration items. Celebration is a promo that Stampin' Up! Has. It's going on right now, but it's going to end on March 31st, so I thought I'd make a few projects with some celebration items. So there we got that. And then here's my little chocolate bunny. I'm going to put a dimension on the bottom of him and stick him in the bottom of this little paper. And all I have to do now is tie a ribbon. So I've got some ribbon here. This is probably about 12 inches of ribbon. Might be a little bit too much, but I want to make sure I have enough to tie a nice bow there. You can always trim it after we're done. So it's fun to make these because you can make them in all these pretty colors. These would also be pretty at a table setting. So if you're having brunch or dinner, you could set one of these at everyone's table in whatever colors you would match, or put them in all different springy colors. And see, that was just a little bit too much ribbon. So I'm going to have to waste a tiny bit of that. And then you can just play with that bow and make it be whatever size you like. Let's see, here's the pink one. So again, this one is in Peekaboo Peach, and I think this is Daffodil Delight and Pool Party and Pink Powder. So there you have it. I hope you like this quick project. Something quick that you can do before Easter is upon us, which will be before you know it. Again, visit my website, join me on my Facebook Live webcast, participate, have fun, and thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.